Yo, what's going on, guys? Anthony here. Welcome back to another absolute banger of a video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I create and edit winning video ads inside of CapCut using ChatGPT and Claude in literally less than 20 minutes every single day. And this is the exact process that allows me to create video ads for every single one of my product tests that have allowed me, in this case, to generate over $300 in sales on this completely brand new store. Now, I'm not going to be doing a reveal just yet on this store because, as you guys know, I'm constantly working on stores, and most of the time, and my most recent content, I just reveal everything, but I want to hold this one back because I want to do something really special with it before I show it to you guys fully. So hold tight. We're working on the store, but in the meantime, I'm going to show you how I'm creating all the assets for this brand new one product store along the way. So that way you guys can follow along and learn and hopefully take some of these insights and use them for your business as well. So without wasting more time, let's go ahead and jump straight into today's video. All right, so starting off first, I'm going to be using one of a ChatGPT chat that I've already gone through the process of creating for educational purposes. So I'll go ahead and show you. This is a ChatGPT script, a ChatGPT chat where I basically given ChatGPT a bunch of reviews and I've asked it to extrapolate for me some very, very important information, which is essentially all of the most important information that I need to know about the product. So everything that I need to know in order to understand why people are buying is, and as you can see, this is long as shit, but everything that I need to know in order to understand why people are buying. So let me find where this actually is. How many fucking reviews did I paste? Okay, there we go. So here's what I basically gathered from ChatGPT, okay? So I gathered the value propositions of this product, and these are collagen masks. So I know that people want deep hydration for visibly plump skin. They want this glass skin effect after use. They want to achieve a youthful, radiant skin. They want quick results for better looking skin, reduce the visible signs of aging, even things such as what are the pain points they're trying to get away from, dry, flaky skin, uneven skin tone. One of my favorite things is seeing the purchase prompts. So what events, what things externally, internally are triggering people to actually want to purchase. So all of this stuff is very important when it comes to writing scripts, because when you write a video ad script, it's important you know what to say in order to actually convince people to buy. And in order to understand what to say to get someone to buy, you need to understand why they're buying in the first place. And so that is what all of this information is for. So what we're going to do now is take all this information and we're going to open this up into a new chat inside of Claude. Now, in my experience, Claude is significantly better for creative work, especially when it comes to advertising. Between ChatGPT and Claude, what I like to use ChatGPT for is any manual information analysis. Anytime I just need to give it just a bunch of raw data and get insights back, I use ChatGPT. And then in order to save my memory so that I'm not burning through all of my usage on Claude, I take those insights that are ready-made from ChatGPT and then I bring them into Claude. So what we're gonna do is basically debrief Claude on everything that it needs to know about our product. So if you're following along in this video, you're gonna copy paste all of these insights. And this is a lot of stuff. Okay, cool. Then we'll go ahead and prompt Claude really quick. All right, so really quick, I just basically told Claude, I need your help to come up with some angles we can use to sell this product. I've also included a review export of 100 plus reviews, and then I've also included the insights that I pulled using ChatGPT. Based on the product reviews and insights, please come up with 5 marketing angles. So before we write the script, we're gonna come up with the angle that we're gonna use to sell the product. So let's go ahead and press enter and see what we get. Do this in real time here. Okay, overnight renewal ritual. Okay. Visible age defier, special occasions. Okay, I really like this one. So this approach directly addresses the desire for more youthful looking skin, highlighting the mask's ability to reduce the appearance of fine lines and improve elasticity. Perfect. So now let's say, let's go with as our angle and make sure to emphasize glass skin, since that is one of the main value of this product. Okay, cool. So let's now generate a script. So this is where now that we've decided on the angle that we want to use to sell this product, now we're going to actually generate the script, or what we're going to say and what we're going to bring into 11 Labs to create a voiceover. So I'm going to grab one of my prompts here. By the way, this should be linked in the description beneath this video. So let's go ahead and do this now. Now, previously, I've been giving Claude, ChatGPT an actual framework, meaning like what kind of things do I want it to say and in what order. But more recently, I've just kind of been going off the cuff to see what it gives me initially. And then if I need to, I'll steer it in the right direction. So let's go back here and we'll just paste that in. Oh, wait, using. Okay, so we're just get this out. Now generate an organic, authentic sounding video ad script for this product. It should read to be, let's go with 30 seconds long. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and generate that. See what we get. Taking its time. Okay, let's see what we got here. Want to know why everyone's talking about glass skin, fine lines, dullness, and dry skin used to be my daily reality. Okay, so I see here that it's still kind of like using the framework. So let's go ahead and get rid of that as well. Let's try and erase that really quick. And let's get rid of this. Make sure to use an attention grabbing hook. That attention grabbing okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and save that. All right, that is perfect. Now it's all right. So as you can see, when you don't use like a kind of like a framework, or like if you don't prompt it and you kind of just let it kind of do its thing, it sounds like way more organic. Okay, so the only thing I don't like with this is the hook. Okay, let's see. This hook is good, but come up with something that we can use alongside when showing of the mask. So I'm basically telling it, here's the visual that I have in mind, which is basically someone showing the active effect of the mask. Make sure also come up with 5 hook variations that are attention grabbing, intriguing, and that our core audience can identify with. Okay, let's try again. Let's get 5 more hooks. Pretty happy with the rest of the script though. Okay, these are much better. They said glass skin was for the young, then I tried this overnight mask. Beautiful. That is awesome. Okay, this is perfect. Now, give me just the script so I can copy paste into 11 labs. It should be one continuous paragraph. Okay, cool. That is the script in like 10 minutes. We've got a pretty awesome UGC video ad script. So what we're gonna do now is bring this into our voiceover tool called 11 labs. So let's go over there really quick. And let's go ahead and log into 11 labs and paste in our script. All right, so I'm inside of 11 labs and I've gone ahead and pasted in my script. We're gonna be using the voice Juniper, and shout out to my boy, Jack in Ecom. Don't actually know him, but I saw one of his videos and he showed off this voice from 11 labs and I completely agree. It is definitely one of the most natural human sounding voices. The only thing I'll do is turn up the speed just slightly to 1.05, just because I find like sometimes 11 labs can be very slow. So let's go ahead and generate the speech now. All right. Okay, and there it goes. So now that we have the script, we're gonna go ahead and download this and then bring this into our video editor CapCut, and I'll show you how I stitch this. I'll show you how I stitch this together inside of CapCut very, very quickly. So let's go ahead and dive into the video editor now. All right, so we're inside of 11 labs. Oh, sorry, we're inside of CapCut now. What we're gonna do is basically edit this voiceover down and get rid of all of the blank space. As you can see, there's some basically empty portions of the script. So we're gonna just clean that up by doing a very simple cut like this. So we're just gonna cut it, and I'm on Mac, so I'm pressing Command B, and then I'm just gonna do that, and basically just remove any of that space so it sounds a lot more natural. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right, so we've just basically cut the voiceover and gotten rid of all of the white space. So what we're gonna do now is generate some captions. CapCut makes this extremely simple. We're gonna go over to audio here, or wait, is it text? Oh no, captions, there we go. And we're just going to do generate, and for the spoken language, we're just gonna put this on English. So let's do that, and then let's go ahead and generate some captions. Perfect, and then we're gonna go ahead and check here, and there's gonna be usually like a couple of typos here and there, so we'll just scan through. Also, I like to edit the captions just to make sure that they have like correct, I don't know what you call it, make sure that things are capitalized. If you know what that is in the comments, let me know. I totally forgot. So this bio, collagen, as you can see, there's some typos here. Okay, and then we're just making sure capitalized. There you go. My skin hasn't looked this firm since my daughter's wedding 15 years ago. And then changing our brand name. Okay. We're gonna actually get rid of this portion because it sounds pretty corny. Okay, let's actually bring that back. Collagen, real deep mask. Okay, cool. So now that we've gotten pretty much all of the captions in there, what we're gonna do now is, before we even add any video, we're just gonna go ahead and edit the template. And I use a very straightforward template, guys. I'm basically just gonna be doing a white text background just like this, okay? And then I usually will set it to this format, so it literally looks like it's from Instagram, and we'll go throw that in just like that. And then now all we have to do at this point is literally add in our B-roll. So I've already gone through the process of sourcing content for this. I'm not gonna show you how to source content, but basically you just throw in your videos just like this, right? Okay. And we're gonna find like the ideal spot for the captions. So we'll put them like right here. You have to remember, like, we're kind of optimizing for the Facebook aspect ratio, which is, I believe, 1080 by 1350. So it's a little bit shorter than your typical like 9:16 or TikTok placement. But yeah, let's go ahead and just add in some content, and make sure you just mute the content. And then when you mute the content, you have the B-roll playing in the background. It's gonna look very organic. So take a look at this. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in some content and kind of explain to you guys as I go along, but I'm gonna start with the hook and kind of go from there. All right, so I've gone ahead and added in the hook, and I've selected I've actually went ahead and gone for a new caption style just because I think it looks a little bit cleaner. Okay, I haven't yet decided. I'm 50-50 on what caption style I actually prefer, but I'm gonna go ahead and use that for the hook and go ahead and keep editing the rest of the video. Alrighty guys, so we've actually gone ahead and finished the rest of the video ad. It was a very, very simple process. All I did was place B-roll clips that aligned with whatever the voiceover was saying at the time or at that specific portion of the script. So if they were talking about glass skin, I tried to show the effect of glass skin. If they were talking about using the mask, I tried to show someone using the mask. So it's a very straightforward process. With the captions and the voiceover done, like, it should take you no less than like 5 or 10 minutes to add in a bunch of B-roll that's relevant. And then all you gotta do is add your final finishing touches, make sure that, you know, for example, like everything's spelled correctly, all that good stuff. And once you're done, here is the finished product that we are ending this video with. Sorry, I can't help it. I already found an error. Let's restart that. There we go. Awesome. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you can create video ads in literally less than 30 minutes just by using ChatGPT to create the scripts and then editing them inside of your video editor of choice. And it's a very simple process to make some meaningful variations. All we do, if we wanted to make, let's say, 3 to 4 variations, is we take all those different hooks that we generated earlier, throw them into the voiceover tool, add them as different text overlays here in the beginning, and then we might swap out the visuals, but it's a very, very simple process. Once you actually have, or the most difficult part in creating winning video ads is actually coming up with the stuff that you're going to say. So if you can automate that process using ChatGPT with evidence-based insights and results, because you're using the reviews, then that is going to allow you to not only create effective winning video ads, but also to do so at a speed and rate of efficiency that you just cannot match without using AI. So use AI to your advantage, and that is what I'm doing, and that is what I'm going to keep doing for the rest of 2025 and for this case study store, which I'm so excited to be bringing to you guys. So that is going to do it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed as always. Hope you also enjoyed a little bit of a return to form on the more branded one product content, as I know I've been doing a lot of stuff with general stores. I am still running one product stores, and I want to show you guys the types of stuff that I'm doing to run them and test on those stores effectively. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want access to more one-on-one coaching, if you want access to my complete masterclass that shows you how to start and scale your first branded dropshipping business to $1,000 a day profitably, then check out the first link in the description to join my private course and community, Guide to Recom. The price is the lowest it will ever be right now. And on top of that, there's a 7-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it. And if you hate it in 7 days, you can get your money back. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hope you got a ton of value as always. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.